Experiencing issues signing up for DoorDash? The most common hurdles involve background checks and ID verification. For background checks, denials often stem from criminal records or driving violations. You can appeal within the app, providing any relevant documentation like court dismissal papers. For ID issues, make sure your photo is high resolution, well lit, and includes the entire ID. The app uses AI for verification, so clarity is key. Resubmit if rejected using the app's guided tutorials for better lighting. If you're not receiving the DoorDash verification email, the issue likely lies with your email settings. First, check your spam or junk folder. Whitelist DoorDash emails at DoorDash.com to prevent future filtering. If no email arrives, try resetting your account and re-entering your email address during sign-up. Ensure there are no typos in your email entry. If problems persist, contact DoorDash support directly through the app or website for personalized assistance. Response times are typically under 24 hours.